Hello, Billy here with Pure Turf Solutions. We've got our kit for Turfinator and Smell What that we've sent to you. And there is a pamphlet here that tells you how to do it. But if you're a visual learner like me, I'll give you a quick demo. Pretty simple. Inside the turf and our Smell What product, we've got 4 vials here. 2 is of our competitors and 2 is of our product. We've got some urine here from animals and a little bit of ammonia, so be careful on smelling it. And then we got 2 samples that you can refill our kits with to try against something else. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open the tops, just like so. You're gonna take our urine, okay? You are going to put 2 drops in each one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? That's simple. We're going to put the tops on it. We're going to let it set for 3 minutes. Okay? That's it. This tool is going to be such a great help when you're selling this infill to your clients, because this tool is amazing. They're going to actually see how well it effectively removes the odor from their artificial turf. So stay tuned. We'll be back in 3 minutes and we'll take a look at how it smells. All right, it's been 3 minutes. So now all you're going to do is you're going to open the caps and you're just going to smell. Nothing like smelling urine, but the key to this whole sample kit is for you to be able to show your clients how great this product will work and help you sell your project, and show them that they can actually have beautiful artificial turf in the yard with no nasty smell. So now I've recapped it. Now we'll let it sit another 10 minutes. Our product actually destroys the odor in the urine. It actually goes down and destroys the bugs and the molecules that cause the smell. So it's going to take a few minutes to do what it does. It's not a perfume or a soap or something to make it smell good right away, or an enzyme that doesn't work, that slowly works, and then if they urinate again, it just takes over of it. But that's what that is. And then we have our Smell What kit. Also, these are your extra infills. You use this to refill our little bottles if you want to do some kind of test against one of your products you're using now. This is the same kind of gig. Just open it up. I got a safety seal here. I'm just going to poke through it because that's what I do. All right, you're going to screw that on. Open it up. I'm going to take a full dropper like this, and I'm just going to kind of put it right on the artificial turf right here to get that urine in there. We'll let it set for about 20 seconds here. Let it get in there. I want you to go ahead and give it a smell. Doesn't smell pleasant. Horrible. Then we're going to take our little spray bottle here. We're going to give it 3 or 4 squirts. Let it sit there and watch it do the work. Give it about a few minutes as well, 2 or 3 minutes, and you'll see it start oxidizing and destroying that smell as well. And that's how our kit works. And I believe 100% wholeheartedly, if you show this kit to your clients, you will sell 80, 90, 100% more projects that have to do with petting turf and urine. So now it's been 10 more minutes and I've done it. We could go through the whole deal of me taking the caps off and smelling it, but you understand the situation. You're gonna take the caps off, you're gonna smell them again. What I wanna explain to you though, is we have every solution for your turf, for your pavers, for your rocks, for your walls, for your barbecues, because not only do we have the infill, which is great to take away the smell and prolong the life of the turf smell and to keep it nice and sanitized, we have a concentrate for that area where that dog goes every day, the same area, the same 100 square feet patch. We can pour this on top and really control that smell and really help out. And then if they go on a wall, a paver, a barbecue, a wicker chair, whatever you got in your yard, you can spray with our Smell What product. It'll also oxidize and destroy that urine smell, so your whole yard will be fresh with our products. So do me a favor, try out our sample kit, show your clients, and get ready to sell some turf projects. Let's go.